Camera action.
Mariana.
Remy first. Oh, you know her first. This one right here.
Asa mo na ni may butang?
YouTube. If you go to no, if tignan niyo yung sun, guys. So bright. It's very orange and early. It's 6:09. I'm gonna feed the dog. I just get up, guys. Good morning. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I still need to get a gas. Yep. I'm still in the house. I'm going to leave very, very, very soon. Oh my god. Masakit yung tiyan ko, guys, because I have my today is my three days, I think. Hello? Morning.
You know, you call and say you're leaving? Nothing?
I don't want to bother you. You're sleeping, hon.
Yeah, I got really late. I got jumped in the shower. Now I just sat down and made a couple of coffees.
Okay. And what's going on?
Well, I just see you, last time I come back to me, maybe you didn't call, huh?
No, I don't even text or bother you because, you know, you're so tired. Really, you go to sleep.
Got it. Well, drive careful. What time are you supposed to pick up? You don't leave those still yet.
Yeah, they will let me know. So I don't care, you know. It's just whatever the people get together over there.
Okay. And I guess I will see you there.
Yeah.
Alright, drive careful.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's Tommy calling me. He just like why I don't text or even call to let him know that I'm leaving. You know, he was tired last night, so that's why I cannot just, you know, bother him. It's kind of raining a little bit. It's raining a little bit, but it's not kind of. It's raining a little bit. Hi guys, my husband is here with me, guys. Look at him, guys. He need to shave. He need to shave. Good morning. Good morning. What is this light going on up? So when I pull, what is that? Pull over, right? Pull into the driveway. When I fall into the driveway, guys, Tommy is going out to drop his mother to the Yalise. So I just, you know, I'm blocking anyway. So what your mother says, I know you said something. She's already here, like you said.
No, because I'm trying to tell her, just go to the white car. Cause at first I told her, leave the door open because MaryAnn's here. And she goes, oh, she's here, why didn't she come in? I said, she just pulled in. And then I see that you didn't pull onto the grass. I said, all right, you know what, pull the door closed because obviously she's going to come with us. So we just go.
I'm here. My husband, you know what he does? Playing in his phone instead of talking to me. Look at it. A panda pup freak.
He was mad because I'm at level 550, you're at level
205.
Are you 205?
I'm just kidding. 113, I think.
I was going to say, 205, that's a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Over last week.
Yeah. Anyway, guys. Oh, Remy texted and she said 10:07 sa fil-am nami. Sa 10:07 na ano daw sila sa fil-am. So 10:07 very soon. And I'm hungry. Early in the morning. I want bread. My stomach. Anyway, guys. Oh my god, I just got here and then I'm gonna drive back home. Sorry, hon. That you wait for your mother. Not a good day. it's gloomy, no sun. The sun came out early this morning and that's it. You guys see it. It's orange and that's it. No sun anymore. It's raining when I came out.
Camera action.
Mariana. Wow. You have a good handwriting. Pangit nga eh. Kasi mo ginalinay.
Anong sabi niya?
Ang nanay niya tapos sa ospital.
Dialysis.
Ito lang. Like car. Hi. Auntie ko. Thank you. Mary.
No,
Thank you.
ikaw, Ribi.
Ikaw rin, wag ko nang gitagaan eh. Ikaw rin eh.
Ano dito?
Hindi, ikaw rin. Sagot ni lagi ko.
Sure ka?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, go!
Mura ka nagsikuan. Sabi at least nga pa rin imong gaong.
Second saman.
Kana karon imong buhok kay nana ni buhok. Mura ka nagsi-tigsiag bayani.
Kinsa man na, oy! Kinsa na, Rubino.
No?
Nagkata.
Kaya na yung buhok, no?
Karaan sa Gipsing. Anto pa nga na.
Karaan.
Sing-sing. Gold star.
Ay, di atad.
Morena siya. Pero sikat na siya, wey. Sikat na kayo na siya. Kuan.
Ya, emang Bisaya on. Pwede hapit.
Butan to siya nga driver ay. Ninglaban gito sa sakot to naglagot to mister.
Ano man? Oh, nagsumbong-sumbong lugar na ay kasi uyang.
Dili man kay one time kung ako down sa niya ako.
Hoy, magtagalog to, oy, para makaintindi si Karen.
Oo.
Kaya Bisaya, Bisaya. Hindi ko rin naintindihan eh.
Ensulto. Ensulto. Si Pare.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place. Float on air and we'll hide away.
Oo.
Hey, you guys. Hey, Ju. Ano ba? Ano yung bahay namin ha? Walang kama. Kasi wala pa kami naka...
Sinabi mo kamay, kamatis na iwan. Nakakainis.
Ay, naku ng kamatis. Gusto mong mag-ano tayo? Stop.
Grabe, tamatis. Daming magtamatis. Tinisip ko niya, ano ba nakalimutan ko ha? Ayun. Tamatis pala. Gusto nga na ako magdala ng mais. Kaya lang, yung mais, hindi na yung presko ba?
May tanim akong mais.
Talaga?
Oo, nakita ko yung mais niyo.
Ay, ano ka sa
Nakita ko
Facebook?
yung picture niyo. Uy.
May picture ba ako?
Ayan.
Hindi naman ako
Meron.
nag-post ng garden.
Meron.
Last year ata yung post mo.
Pero hindi pa, wala pang ano.
Wala akong mais.
Wala pang bunga.
Ngayon, may bulaklak na yung hair.
Flower lang. Flower lang.
Hair naman.
Ah, okay.
So, palapit
Lumabas
na.
Aha.
Lumabas na.
Pag mag-harvest ka na, kami na pupunta doon.
Mga 90 days.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Madali naman ang mais kaysa umay.
So mag-harvest ka, punta na kami doon.
Tatong puno lang yan.
Tatlong puno lang.
Tig-isa lang kayo.
Isa lang kayo. May ano ako, cucumber din. Saka zucchini.
Nice.
Sige, yung sana, magtanong ka ng siyota sa UT.
Chiyoti.
Sa UT? Oo. Kasi, pati,
Hindi pa ako nakakita ng...
meron sa aming lugar.
Ano yan?
Yung sa UT, yung sa ihano ng mga karne.
Alam ko yan, pero yung puno ba? Ano
Yun
yan?
lang, yung talagang,
roll ba yan?
parang
Parang ang palayan?
yep.
Oo.
Oo, ang
At saka ang
palayan.
daming bunga. Pag magbunga yun, ang daming bunga. Hindi mo maano talaga. Ang daming
Wala
bunga.
akong nakita ang ano eh.
Ano?
Sigling.
Hindi.
May babili ka naman.
Talagang yun lang. Yeah.
Kahit bumili ka ng at saka yung
Oo
liso
nga
mo
pala,
lang.
lalabas na
Yeah. Yeah. Kala ko talong ng asawa mo kinuha.
Sarap yan. Nakamiss na ng talong rep.
Hindi.
Talaga?
Never. Nakalimutan ko na nga.
Anong itsura?
Kasi pag hindi
iba yung hindi alam mo, hindi yun sa edad. Kasi yung kaibigan ko
Naman.
Initial, mag-lipstick ako.
Okay, nagkuha akong camera. She said she's going to put lipstick on. Busy na, guys. Ang samay akong buhaton, Rem.
Ha?
Ang samay akong buhaton. Ha?
Sayaw na. Wala, okay na.
Kira ka?
Si Karen!
Dito ka na lang maglaba, oh my.
Oh, may washing off. Iwas mo na lang dun.
Oo, para hindi ka na maglabad.
Oo. Kuan, hubs and dimples. Hubs. Hubs. Hubs.
Nakita ko.
Dimples. No, they're hiding.
Tinatamad ko maglaba? 2 months, hindi ko maglaba.
Dito, wala siya sa gallery. Wala kang gallery dito sa harapan mo. Ayun.
Busy yung tatlo.
Nangyari na to. Meron dito may home.
Busy. May ano sila, may business.
Tinatouch ko yung isa, nabalik yung gusto ko.
Ah.
Hindi ko na makita.
Home? Yeah.
Seryoso.
Ito nang pinaka-home mo dito eh.
Yun na nga, pero meron talagang ganyan lang, tapos puro malaki. Pag inumupo na, makita mo lahat yan.
Oo, yun na nga.
Hindi ganito na maliliit, ang dami. Malamig
Sobrang
yan.
bango nito,
Meron
guys.
talaga,
As
meron.
in, inununan.
Na yan.
Kuha mo na siya. Di man dun dyan.
Uy, pila na edad?
Kita mo, puro maliliit.
7. Ano siya? Half Pinoy. No, 50% Pinoy kasi ikaw 50%. Pinoy man ka. Inchi ka?
Hindi 50 kay si Arte. Half Pinoy man.
Half Pinoy o 75. Unya ikaw pure Pinoy man ka no? Wala kay Chinese? Wala kay imong mataan naman.
Dili ay.
Dili sure ka? Dagkuan ka nang nag
Wala kang Chinese, wala kang Pinay,
Baliw yan.
wala kang hapon.
Hoy, you guys, okay lang sa inyo YouTube. Kung hindi kayo okay, i-blur ko lang yung face.
Guwapa lagi okay.
Hoy, guys, almost 1 o'clock. It's time
Mga unata, oy.
to eat.
Mga unata.
Kaya ito, ano paibog nila.
Just doing karaoke right here. Look at Remy. Leonor.
Oh, boys.
Hi, is that right?
Yeah, because I worked last night.
Yeah, I got a feeling.
Yung permit? Hi.
Kami may grandchildren, all boys.
Nag-stop man.
Wow, nice and kids.
Nag-stop.
But they're all boys. What happened to the girls?
I don't know. I really wanted her. I didn't want her.
And I just feed them.
You didn't want girls? No, I love it.
I'm gonna try to get hot out here. Get a man!
Joking.
Get a man!
Right.
Go on, Deb.
She's short and short.
Go on, Deb.
But you beat her.
Come on, Deb.
Her. She beat her with this. Look, she's so alive and look at it. Ito sa si Karen. This is the real me.
Okay na, basta katawan ako dito.
Done. Done. That's
But
it,
just
guys.
once a day, right?
Mom, you wanna know where I met these ladies?
Where?
In the bar.
You know what?
Good boys. No.
No. So I met Remy first. Oh, Leonor first. This one right here. In Manila.
You can't remember her name now.
In the Philippines, when we took an interview to come here in the US. So when I saw her, I said, Filipina? Filipina? Give me your number. What's your number? And then I
If
said,
you said no, she never would have talked to you again. So.
yeah. So that's what.
Some people ask me kind Chinese. Yeah.
And then,
Kukunat ay nakalimutan ko balik. Hi guys, I kinda drunk really because I've been drinking.
And during my
What is
time,
this?
we cannot just go meet the person outside.
Frozen
That person must
margarita.
go inside.
Tignan nyo yung isa ay nagpipicture-picture na ay. Tignan nyo. You know, kilala ko ito matagal na. It's been like 7... No, it's not 7 years.
Mag-10 years na
10 years na. We know each other 10 years
The
na.
parents that you can
Asa man ni mga ibutang?
YouTube. If you go to... No, if to... I met her at St. John. Ano ba yung ano?
St. Luke's.
St. Luke Hospital Medical to come here interview. It was long time freaking ago. Oh my God.
I'm ugly.
Ay naku. Uy, matay. Tignan mo yung mukha ko na ano na cover na talaga sa screen, oh. Look at
Hello!
Karen Avila. The reporter.
Davila!
Avila, oy.
Karen Davila!
Avila.
Davila!
Davila talaga. Guys, please leave me a comment, guys, if it's Davila. I think it's Avila.
Davila.
My viewers will tell me, so.
Davila lagi.
Davila. Hi, Han.
Very famous. You
Ari.
have to talk.
Ari. You want some?
You ever try it?
No, because she thinks that's for the dog.
She think that
The dogs like everything we eat, so we give them.
Yeah, you
We
can have
share with them.
Solid cheese and cracker.
Ano?
Try this
Solid
cheese.
cheese.
Try this cheese. You might like it.
It's good.
don't force her. If she doesn't want it, don't force her.
Okay, you want to try it? It's okay.
You try. You're gonna like it. You see the dealies? You said you don't like when you try.
Yeah, she eats the dried fish
If
for
she
the
likes
first
it, you're
time.
gonna be sorry for what it costs per
And
can of
she
that.
ate the dried fish for the first time. She love it. Wait, not looking.
Oh, we have solid cheese too.
Where is Roxy, Misty?
I like.
Oh, you know what? Tommy also bought a bed because they're here. So you know what? He surprised us. I was really surprised because you know. Look, there is bed. Tignan nyo you guys. Yung bed, sobrang laki. Nilagay ko itong mga blanket na ito. Ito. So maganda siya kasi tignan nyo. Ito. Sobrang laki. Dalawa guys. Dalawa yung binili niya. At so dito sila matutulog. May blankets na. May tinabunan ko lang ito nilagay. I just put this. And may mga blanket na sila. Doon sila. Dito. Oh, okay, here. Come here, Leonor! Come here ba? So, Leonor is the one who's really tired.
Oh my God, you know.
And she is ready to lie down and go to sleep. We have bed. It's really big, right? It's huge, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, they're going to bed.
We're done for today. Tomorrow again.
Tomorrow again.
They're really good. Thank you for your
You
hospitality.
enjoyed the dinner?
We enjoyed everything from morning to night.
Okay, good night, guys. Good night. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Tapusin ko na to, guys. Good night, guys. Imamasage ko lang yung ulo ng asawa ko and then I'm going to anong tawag nito? I'm going to edit the video. Well, edited already. I-recheck ko lang and then watching. Also trying to watch a movie or whatever here with Tommy. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys. Cucumber, dalawa. Marshmallow because I add marshmallow for the game. And also I get some